guys, welcome back to my channel after a long time. It is 1 o'clock in the morning, in the night, and see the level of energy I am having because I am so excited because we are going to Kashmir and I am starting this Kashmir series on my channel. So you will be seeing few videos after this. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel below. We have a flight at 5 a.m. and we have two flights. Like we need to change from Delhi, Mumbai to Delhi, Delhi to Srinagar. Guys, it's the time we are leaving. That's my mom. Hi, boy. Hi. हमारा चेक इन अभी हो गया है and now we are going towards security. Okay, bye. So guys, our boarding has started. We are heading towards our gate and that's my sister running for no reason. As you can see, we are all in flight. We are ready to board. 4:31 5 बजे टेक ऑफ करेगा. बहुत टाइम है अभी, जल्दी आ. Guys, we have arrived Delhi airport. It's very cold here and now we are figuring out where to catch our flight to Srinagar. This is our first time in Delhi airport and it's very beautiful. See? We are currently now Srinagar flight. We will board in some time. We are in Kashmir. It's very cold. It's 3 degrees and we are now going towards our houseboat. We are in our shikara. This is the first time we are entering a houseboat. Here is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Prettiest ever. I will give a tour थोड़ी देर बाद. Here is the main hall. Hey guys, we are all ready, all decked up for the winters. It's very cold and for us it is feeling super cold. We are currently in the houseboat and now we are going towards for lunch.
Mumbai is very big, busy place.
Yes, it's very busy.
time है बात करने का.
This is the lobby space and this is the traditional heater और steam करने वाला चीज़ जो भी है बोलो. It's hot. It's helping us. It's so pretty. Look at the designs और हमारा view देखो यहाँ. We are all ready. आज फर्स्ट ही दिन है एंड आज हम घूमने वाले हैं. वैसे टेक्निकली आज रेस्ट डे था. वी विल बी विजिटिंग फ्लोटिंग मार्केट, शिकारा राइड जो भी हम कर रहे हैं. सो प्रिटी. Hey guys, we just bought some beautiful flowers. These are so pretty. ऐसे flowers में बिल्कुल नहीं मिलने वाले. We got one stick for 20 rupees and that guy tells that 10 दिन तक चलेगा. So we'll see चलेगा कि नहीं. I don't know if you can see but इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड है. We are at market, floating market. I am checking in after a very long time. So the plan was to rest basically, but it changed because we had lots of time and इधर का weather is very unpredictable. I am wearing a -5 वाला jacket and it still feels so cold. My hands are frozen even though I'm wearing gloves all the time. My hands are frozen, everything is frozen. और यहाँ पे हीटर का भी टाइमिंग रहता है. Living in a houseboat is a very nice experience. We have spent almost a day here. हम सुबह 11:30 बजे तक आ गए थे and we will be leaving tomorrow in the morning to पहलगाम. I am excited for that. और इधर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बहुत ज़्यादा इशू है. I have a heater on जो 7 PM to 10 PM ही रहता है. So I guess I forgot to tell you guys that we are traveling not by ourselves. We are traveling through Veena World. So we are in a group of 12 people, 14 people. I don't remember exactly the number, but there are so many people. So everyone is traveling together. आज first day था and everything went nice and I'm excited for day 2 because it is going to be Pahalgam, which is more cold. Wearing so many layers inside. अगर ये मुंबई में पहनती तो मर जाऊँ. But इधर it's not doing it. It's very cold. It's very unbearable. At least for me, at least for people like me who cannot bear cold at all. Okay, so talking about this room, we have one layer, two, 3 जाड़े लेयर्स के ब्लैंकेट्स है और अंदर हॉट वाटर बैग भी डाला है. इसके अलावा we have a electric heater. Had our dinner outside the houseboat, which is called Shamiana, which was decent. The only thing we loved was chicken. Also, there was so unbearable thandi outside. We were literally everyone is packed. Whole Dal Lake is in fog right now.
26 को भूकंप आया.
It's pretty. It's very pretty. It is quite hectic and my head is blasting.